director, me or her? Fucking it.
Горят воспоминания о
What the fuck, Harry? What the fuck?
It's a good take, right?
I'm sorry, Joss. It was out of focus. The whole thing was